Suspended Labour councillor Ricky Jones appeared remotely from prison in Snaresbrook Crown Court today and pleaded not guilty to encouraging or assisting violent disorder, believing it would be committed. This is the video. Obviously, there's a limited amount I can talk about this since it's a live case and I can't do anything that would knowingly prejudice the case, but I can give you some generic overview and I can remind you of the video itself. This is what got him arrested and he's been in custody ever since.
Children and women using those trains is doing us some relatives. They are disgusting, nasty bastards, and we need to cull their throats and get rid of them all.
So as I say, there's a limited amount I can say about this, but what I can say is that it's been reported that his defence barrister, Hussein Zahir, King's Counsel, said that Jones accepted the words had been spoken, but denied knowing the offence of violent disorder would be committed. Because this, I suppose, answers a lot of questions that I've seen on X, where people have said, how is it that he's denied this when there's a video of him saying those words? Well, that's the response from the defence barrister reported in court today to say that he accepted that those words were spoken, but denied knowing the offence of violent disorder would be committed. I understand there's going to be a bail application, albeit he remains in custody. There is a pre-trial review set to be heard as well. That I understand is going to be in December the 9th. And the earliest trial date, I understand, it is set for January the 20th next year. So for now, he's been remanded back into custody unless and until a bail application is made and unless and until a bail application is granted. But this raises a number of questions, speaking generally, you understand, from comments that I've seen on X about bail or being remanded into custody. Because there was this judge, you'll recall, that warned those even caught observing or taking part in the disorder will be refused bail on that occasion, as 4 men appeared in court charged in relation to the recent riots. However, it's also at this point that I would remind everybody watching this and tempted to make comments and take part in the discussion online to remind you of the possibility of contempt of court. Because if you say something which is intended to interfere with the proceedings, which these are live criminal proceedings, that might amount to contempt of court. So again, and as in recent videos, I would encourage you to think before you post your thoughts online so that you don't get yourself into trouble as well. But at the moment, that's really the update. We won't hear any more unless and until a bail application is made, or indeed until the trial next year. So if you want updates on that, please do subscribe and I'll see you next time.